Hello and welcome to this week's episode of Craft Corner Kids to Go. Today we will be making a winter snowflake. Alright, so the supplies that you'll need to make this is a square piece of paper, your snowflake template, a pencil, some scissors, and some glitter glue if you want. Okay. So first off, the first thing that we are going to do is fold it into a triangle. The line is probably already there for you to follow, like so. And then we're going to fold it in half into another triangle. And to get the best snowflake, I would advise that you're very careful when you're folding this. So that way all the edges are even. So as you can see, we fold it again to make a triangle like this. Then after that, you're going to want to fold the triangle again in half, like so. So then we go from there to there. And then this next step, we're gonna fold it in half again so the edges are even. We're gonna fold it, so we're gonna have a little bit of excess at the top. So when I fold it, it's gonna look like this. Let me get those lines straight. All right. So as we can see here, it looks a little weird because there's this bit up here, but that's why we're gonna take our scissors and cut that part off. Like that. So it's even at the top. And that way, when you take your snowflake template and you line it up on the triangle, it should fit. See there? So sometimes it's a little bit tricky when you're tracing your snowflake. So if you want to tape it on there for the time being to be able to trace it properly, you can go ahead and do that, or you can just freehand it. So I'm going to trace this template to get my design. And if you are currently an expert at snowflake making, you can make your own design. That's perfectly fine. The great thing about snowflakes is that each one is different and each one is unique. So feel free to do whatever you would like. All right. So now I've traced the template, and then if you can see here, we have those lines, and what you want to make sure is that your lines aren't too thin, or else the snowflake might fall apart or break. So now from that step, we are going to cut along the lines. I would advise, for your parents' sake, to do this over a trash can because it can get a little messy and you don't want a bunch of paper shreds everywhere. So now I have completely cut out the template and this is what it looks like. And then very carefully you are going to unfold it layer by layer. And this is the exciting part, because then you get to reveal what the snowflake actually looks like. All right, and then voila, here you are. And to make it lay flat, you can put it on the table and smooth it out. So then, there's your design. And you can stop at this step if you would like, but in class, we are going to put glitter glue on it to add a little bit of extra something to it. So right here I have silver glitter glue and blue glitter glue. If you do not have glitter glue at home, you could probably put glue on it and then sprinkle glitter, or you could use washable marker on it, whatever you would like. And there you have it. That is your winter snowflake. Thanks for tuning in to this week's edition of Craft Kits to Go. And make sure you check out next week.